Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I make my ginger garlic paste for my weekly meals. So to start, all you need is ginger, garlic and green chili. So I prefer using a spoon when peeling ginger because 1, there's less waste, and 2, it's so much easier to get into those nooks and crannies of the ginger. Okay, so once I'm done processing the paste, I then like to store it in 2 different ways. One in the freezer in this silicone mat that I got from Chandarana, and 2, the other way is just in the fridge for when I need fresh ginger garlic. So as you can see, it's super easy to make ginger garlic paste ahead of time, and you can use it anytime a recipe calls for it. And just store them in the freezer, either in a container or just like this in the silicone mat by folding it and popping it away.